Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to do a simple but cute updo inspired by Uchis. This hairstyle is very versatile, it works for thin and thick hair. So let's get started. First you want to section the front face framing pieces and pin it aside. Then divide the hair half up, half down. Make sure to use a boa bristle brush to smooth it out. I like to leave a few hairs around the ear, it gives a really cute soft effect. You can use gel if you wish to make the hair slicker, but I'm opting for more of a soft look. Then use a hair tie to loop it around about 3 times. Now grab the hair at the bottom and combine it with the top. I'm also leaving a few pieces of hair around the nape area. Loop it around about 3 times as well. Once you have the ponytail done, grab a flat iron or curling iron and curl the hair. My little trick to get the pieces super curly is to twist the flat iron around the hair twice and hold it for a while, for a firmer and tighter curl. If you want to see more details how I curl hair using a flat iron, I'll link my other tutorial on the description box. After you have everything curled, it's time to pin the hair in place. Make sure you have a lot of bobby pins around. Grab a section of hair and pin it midway, making sure you leave the ends out. Wait for the bobby pins not to show is using one that's similar to your hair color, and place them as close as you can to the hair tie. Then opening the hair like how I'm doing it and spreading it apart. You can use hairspray once you have pinned it in place. Repeat that throughout all the hair until it forms a bun. Wherever you see that the hair looks sparse, grab your tail comb and pull it a bit until it forms the right shape. Make sure not to use too much force so you don't pull the hair out of the pin. Moving on to the face framing pieces we left out. Make sure you are curling it away from the face. Now for the final touches, grab some hairspray and set everything in place. And we are all done. I love this updo. It's perfect for a night out or a special event. Thank you for watching. Please let me know any other tutorials you would like me to do down on the comment section.